Dr. Tanveen. Today's session is about how to take care of newborns and children by lactating mothers during COVID and prevent them from getting the infection. Now, number one, practice social distancing. Avoid people who are sick or who have been exposed to the virus. Stay at home or at least 6 feet away from people who do not live in a home. Secondly, always maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or help your children wash their hands. After touching the surfaces outside your home or items from outside that you've brought into your home, after going to the bathroom or changing diapers, or after you blow your nose or you cough or you sneeze, after handling laundry, before eating or preparing food, before breastfeeding, or handling anything that your baby will be using while breastfeeding. Always wash your hands when they're visibly dirty, and if soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based sanitizer with at least 70% alcohol. Breastfeeding. Now breast milk, as doctors always stress upon, provides protection against many illnesses and is the best source of nutrition for most infants. If you have COVID-19 and choose to breastfeed, wear a cloth face covering while breastfeeding and wash your hands before each feeding. Wear a cloth face covering during expression if you're using a breast pump, and wash your hands before touching any pump or bottle parts and before expressing breast milk. Wash all the items very diligently, including washable toys, by following the label or the instructions that you see on the toys, and use the warmest appropriate water setting for the items and dry them completely if possible. Children's safety is very important. Some reports suggest that infants under 1 year old and those with underlying medical conditions might be at a higher risk of serious illness from COVID-19 than other children. Put distance between your children and other people outside a home. Keep children at least 6 feet from other people. Children 2 years and older should be wearing a cloth face covering over their nose and mouth when in public settings where it's difficult to practice social distancing. Follow all these guidelines. This is also by CDC. There is a link in the comment section to their page, to their official page, where you can see more guidance on how to carry on with their precautionary measures as you go on with the daily life and protect your newborn. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe.